Hey, it's Dael.
And Mike.
Your V-Twin food champions of the world. Well, I just can't believe that you brought back my old wrestling days, man. Hey, it's the V-Twin Foodies. I'm Dael.
Mike here.
And we are where, Mike?
We are at the Red Fork in downtown Erwin, Tennessee.
Erwin, Tennessee, which is in Unicoi County. And we were actually told about the Red Fork by a friend of yours.
Yeah, a friend of mine who lives in here in Erwin. We stopped by to pay him a visit to make sure he was okay after the Helene damage, and he did just fine. It was those that lived along the NOLA Chutney that suffered the greatest damage in this area. So
yeah, I tell you what, it's how that whole river just widened out. It is amazing. And Mike, you got something she said too that.
Yeah, I went a little off script here. They have a fried bologna sandwich with vinegar chips, and so what the heck? It's different. So and my wife always tells me I'm full of baloney anyway, so at least today she'll be valid after I eat the sandwich. So.
Okay. You want to show them what that sandwich looks like there, bro?
Well, it
does.
A nice Texas-style toast.
Put it up to the camera.
Oh, yeah, duh.
I'll
Nice Texas,
yeah.
You need to hire somebody better. It's got the pickle chips on there, the vinegar pickle chips. The bologna is fried pretty good. So here, I'll give it a shot.
It's got good crunch to it.
Yeah, good crunch and flavor to it. I'm digging it. I'm glad I went off script and tried that.
Yeah, and of course now I got the burger, which is like a double smash burger, and I got Parmesan fries with mayonnaise or ketchup and their fork dressing. I think that's what it's called. So they said it was good. So, but this is yeah, check this out.
Fork sauce.
Yeah, nice burger. So got some Parmesan cheese right here from the fries. So. Pretty good burger.
Yeah.
But definitely.
Yeah, the Parmesan fries are interesting.
This
shredded Parmesan, and it looks like what's that on there? Like a scallions or some kind of.
Yeah, look at scallions.
Downtown Erwin, the heart of downtown Erwin.
We had a great motorcycle ride. It was kind of chilly in certain spots.
Yeah.
But yeah, downtown Erwin, Unicoi County, Tennessee. And the Red Fork. Mike, what do you think, man?
Yeah, nice place. If you find yourself riding around this area, stop in. They have a full bar inside, wine and beer and wine, tap beer. Cocktails, so definitely worth a stop.
Yeah, because the smash burger is right on. Parmesan fries with their fork sauce. I tell you what, there's no complaints on this side.
Nope, none here either. So time to dig in and eat.
Yeah, so we're going to throw down. And yeah, so remember, give a man a fish, you'll feed him for a day. Give him a motorcycle, he'll eat that fish 200 miles away. We're out of here. Love, peace, and chicken grease.